Have you ever been to camping with friends? Well, it's just amazing. Lying under the sky with so many stars, millions of stars, with your best friend, talking about the world. Isn't it a bliss? Well, as kids, each of one of us loved to watch stars. Now, once I was watching stars when I saw three stars were shining too brighter than the others. Now, my imagination fixed on these stars, and I started thinking whether these stars form a shape. Now, I took out the graph paper and immediately plotted these 3 points on the graph. Now, I could see that after joining this line and joining this line with an external point was giving me a triangle. Well, yes, these three stars was forming a triangle, but every time I cannot have a graph paper with me, then how will I know whether 3 points form a triangle or not? Let's see. Well, in geometry, we have already learned that there is a property of a triangle, that the sum of its any two sides is always greater than its third side. So we can use the same property in coordinate geometry. What we will do? We have 3 points given. We have 3 points given here. Now we'll check whether the distance between any of its two sides is greater than the third side or not. And how will we take out the distance between its two coordinates? We have the distance formula to help us. You have already learned in the previous lectures that distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now using this formula, let's take out the distance between A, B and C. Here we have to find out the distance first between A and B. Let's start. Root over 6 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. Now what we'll get? Root over 6 minus 6 will give us 0. Whole square will give us 0 as well. Plus 6 minus 2 is 4 whole square. This will give us 4 square is 16 and root over 16 will give us 4 units. Now can you find out BC for me? Let's take out BC together. Well, BC is root over 6 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. Now this will give me 6 minus 3 is 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 whole square is 0. This will give me root over 3 square. 3 square is 9. And root over 9 will give me 3 units. So we got BC as 3 units. Now what about CA? Find it out. Well, CA is root over 3 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. This will give me 3 minus 6 is minus 3 negative whole square plus 2 minus 6 is again negative minus 4 whole square. This will give me minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9, plus minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, that is positive 16. Now this will give me 9 plus 16 is 25. This will give me root over 25 is 5 units. So we successfully calculated the distance between AB, BC and CA. So what now we have to apply? We have to check whether the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side or not. So we take three options. We have to take three options: AB plus BC, BC plus CA and AB plus CA, and we have to see whether the sum of these two sides exceeds the third side or not. So first of all, let's just calculate the sum of these two sides. So AB plus BC is what? AB plus BC, that is 4 plus 3, which gives us 7. Now what about BC plus CA? Now this is BC and this is CA. So 3 plus 5, which gives us 8. And what about AB plus CA? Well, this is AB and this is CA. So 4 plus 5, which gives us 9. Now we'll check whether the sum of these two sides is exceeding the third side or not. See, AB plus BC is 7. Now we have to see whether this exceeds CA or not. Well, you can clearly see 7 exceeds 5. So AB plus BC is exceeding CA. Now let's check this one. Here you can say BC plus CA. So we have to see BC plus CA. So which is the remaining side? AB. Now BC plus CA is giving me 8. Now we can clearly see that 8 exceeds 4. So again, this is fulfilled as BC plus CA is exceeding AB. Now what about AB plus CA? Well, this is AB and this is CA. So BC is the only side left. So 4 plus 5 gave us 9, which exceeds 3. So again, this is fulfilled as it exceeds BC. So you're clear with this thing? Here you can see AB plus BC exceeds CA, BC plus CA exceeds AB, and AB plus CA exceeds BC. So the sum of any two sides of this triangle is exceeding the third side. So A, B and C form a triangle. So whenever we want to check whether three coordinates form a triangle or not, use this property of a triangle in coordinate geometry and you will find out whether these 3 points or any three coordinates or any three pair of coordinates form a triangle or not.